Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute burpees, skater jumps, Tabata workout. And we're going to start with the plank and row first. So get yourself in a plank and follow along with me. Get ready. Go. So all I want you to do is touch the opposite shoulder with your hands. And if you're a little bit more ambitious, you can do the push-up and row like that. Push-up, plank and row. Do a push-up and touch the opposite shoulder. Either one is fine. Whatever your fitness level dictates. Stop and up, ankle jacks. So we're going to do a jumping jack and then squat and touch your ankles, and I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. Go jumping jack and touch your ankles, and I'm going to turn sideways so you can see that when I do the jumping jack and touch my ankles, I'm actually doing a squat with my butt back and head out. You don't have to close your feet all the way because you need to be in a proper position for the squat. So that's the ankle jack. Stop. Burpees next. So get ready. And go. Now, everybody can do burpees. This is my back, and I have done spinal fusion surgery, and I can do burpees. So if I can do them, you can do them. If you can't do the push-up, leave the push-up out. If you can't do the jump, leave the jump out. But at least go horizontal down and get back up. Stop. Skater jumps. Okay, when I say go, get ready to step out as far as you can with your left foot to the side. Go. Step out with each foot. Take the back foot, back leg, and make a figure four behind the front knee. Swing your arms. Try to touch your ears with your thumbs there. Swinging your arms. Full range of motion. Don't forget to breathe. Stop. And that's going to be the order. It's not going to change. So now we're back to the plank and row. So get ready to plank and row either way that you want. Go. You can just do the regular row just like this, or the push up and row like this. Either way is fine. Whatever your fitness level will dictate. Good. Stop and up. Ankle jacks, jumping jacks, and squatting and touch your ankles. Get ready. Go. Jumping jack, touch your ankle. Jumping jack, touch your ankle. And remember, you don't have to bring your feet all the way in because you want to be able to squat with good form. Make sure you stick your butt back, head out, and exhale as you compress. Kind of counterintuitive, but it works better that way. Stop and burpees again. Here we go. Get ready to do the push-up and the jump, or whatever way you need to do it. And go. And I want to point out something. You notice how when I do a burpee, I do a squat before I put my hands down. And that makes it a little bit easier because if you squat before you put your hands down, you only have to put your hands down about a foot rather than falling from the sky and smacking your hands on the ground. And jump, squat, stop. Okay. Skaters. Skater jumps. Get ready to step out. Go, step out, swing those arms. Be smooth because smooth is fast. Take that back leg, back foot, and put it behind the front knee. Kind of make a figure four with your legs. Stop. Okay, we're going to take a 30-second break, take some deep breaths, take a sip of water, and hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, you need to get ready for round 2. It's going to be the same order. 10 seconds, starting with the plank and row. You know how to do this now. Do it your way, the way that you want to do it. And go. I'm doing the push up and row. You can do the regular plank and row, whatever way you need to do it. If you're doing the push up and row, don't forget to breathe as you push. If you're doing the regular plank and row, just regular breathing. Make sure you breathe. Stop and up. Ankle jack. Go. Jumping jack squat and touch your ankles. And this is the same thing too. Make sure that as you compress, you exhale and try to be smooth, because smooth is fast. Jumping jack, touch your ankles. Jumping jack, touch your ankles. Stop. Burpees. And go. Squat down and put your hands on the ground and push up and then jump. It's a lot easier if you do the squat, I'm telling you. It's the easy way to go. Squat down before you put your hands down. Squat down, push up, and jump. One of the best exercises there is. Stop. Skaters. Skater jumps. Get ready. Push off sideways. Go. Push off nice and easy. Swing those arms. Smooth is fast. Now I would rather have you have good form and big width than go faster and have small width. Stop. And down. Plank and row with 2 minutes to go. Hang in there. Go. I'm doing the push up and row. You can do the regular plank and row. Go, go, go. Don't forget to breathe. Stop and up. Ankle jack. Jumping jack. Touch your ankles. You're a pro by now. Get ready. Go. Jump and touch. Jump and touch. Try to make sure that you touch your fingers together above your head to open up those shoulders, open up that rotator cuff. Touch and good. Touch and squat and touch your ankles. Good. Burpees with 1 minute to go. Get ready. And go. Down, push up, and jump. You can leave out the push up. You can leave out the jump if you have to. Make sure you go down and go horizontal. Stop. Skaters. Get ready. Go. Step off to the side. Back foot behind that front knee. Swinging your arms. Don't forget to breathe and be smooth. Smooth is fast. Embrace your inner speed skater there. Nice and smooth. Push off nice and wide. Stop. Okay. If this workout somehow was too short for you, you can rewind it and repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure to click on this video for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.